Welcome to Agrivisions, a program of First Dakota National Bank. I'm Michelle Rook. Nate Franzén, president of the Agribusiness division, is back with us this week. And Nate, the Fed at their July meeting left interest rates unchanged. And it's a very interesting environment, tightrope right now for the Fed, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is, Michelle. For the first time in a long, long time, they're not just worried about one of their mandates. They have to worry about both of their mandates. Inflation, although it's come down some, continues to be problematic in that it's not to their 2% target. It's still slightly elevated. And there's this risk of the impact of tariffs that is still playing out as the president and the administration leverage tariffs in our trade negotiations. Then on the other side, you have the unemployment mandate, which today appears to be balanced, but is showing some initial signs of potential weakening. So, with inflation elevated, that would tell them they need to raise rates. With weakening in unemployment, that would tell them they need to lower rates. So they're really in an awkward situation trying to monitor both sides of the mandate.
So, Nate, how encouraged have you been by the fact that Chairman Powell has not given into the political pressure to lower rates?
It's refreshing to me to see that although there's a lot of political pressure being put on by the administration, the committee is still operating very independently. They're looking at the data and voting and operating as they should.
So what is the likelihood we'll see a rate decrease maybe by fall?
The market sure thinks that we'll see a decrease at least once or twice yet this year. That's certainly possible. It wouldn't surprise me. However, I think because of the uncertainty of the tariff situation, and the fact that that is a delayed impact, it'll take some time for us to know the exact impact of the tariff situation. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we don't see any movement in rates until after the first of the year. Again, really an uncertain time as far as just being able to project what is going to happen over the next several months.
Thanks so much. That's Nate Franzén, First Dakota National Bank, with today's Agrivisions.